Hi everyone, Hannah here. So as you will notice in your junk journal and your scrapbook kits for this month, my handmade gift to you is this card that I made with my Sizzix machine, and I've got a dried daisy in here. Some of the kits are getting a pink one and some of the kits are getting a purple one, and I went ahead and put it in this acetate, and I'm going to show you some different things that you can actually do with this. So I'm just kind of lining it up here, seeing how it's going to look through the hole. And I cut a piece of cardstock because I thought what I would do is have that behind our dried flower. And I actually like how that's going to look. So I'm going to go ahead and get that together and sew it. So I think it turned out pretty good, and now I'm just going to cut the excess of the acetate or plastic wrap, whatever you want to call it, and we'll go ahead and just cut that off. So what I thought about doing is making a little tuck spot, so when you turn it over, you'll have something interesting to look at, something interactive. So I just took one of the journaling cards and cut a piece of it off, and then I'm just roughing up the edges with my scissors, and then I'm just going to glue the one of the sides and the bottom down so that way I can tuck something in it, and then just going to put a little bit of lace down there as well, and that'll make a really nice, simple, but a colorful, unique tuck spot there. So I'm using the other side of the card. I just cut it in half, and I'm using the back side here and just finishing punching this out. And the plastic piece, it's got a little hole in it where it's the top of, leftover packaging. But I'm going to sew that and cover that hole up. So I'm going to do that first, just sew around the sides and leave an opening at the top. And that's where I'm going to pour the glitter and the sequins in. This would make a great card. You can embellish the front of it. You could even add on a piece of cardstock to the back and, score the end and add some glue or some tape and some double-sided tape to add on to it so that your card will open up, and you could have an area where you write a sentiment at, but it makes a really pretty shaker card. And these are just some ideas, just some simple ways to incorporate these in your project.